Yeah, it has to do with the thieves around and these guys plays these games that called tap tap. I don't know how they used to call it. It has been a long time, like 2 to 3 years back. They have been doing something like this, and we can see that the police officers cannot handle them on their own. And we are the ones who live here in Serakunda, and they are spoiling our names. That Hale Serakunda and Yahoo, the Yoneka Vidisaja, you can Hamutanga. So we decided to create a platform named Community Police. We create also a group chat where we can reach to each and every one of us around Serakunda here and sit and have a meeting, talked about it so that we can help each other and stop all this. We are not using any tools to hurt anyone or anything, but when we see you, we recognize all of them, the drivers, the apprentices, the thieves, all of them here. So we're just gonna get them and take them to Serakunda Primary School, make them feel comfortable there, and call RSM like or anti-crime, and they will come and pick them off. We didn't only do this for only Serakunda, but the reason why we wanted to do this, we needed people like you to come around and take this, so that other communities like Fajukunda, Latirikunda, Talinding will also have the guts and that audacity to create a platform like this, so that we can also go and they can also go and stop things like this, because this is too much now. We are talking to the government. They have to do something about this. We really need their help. We went to anti-crime. We went to Serakunda police station. We gave them our complaints, and they gave us permissions that we should not hurt anyone. But when we get any one of them, we should call them, and they will come and pick them. For a few days back or 4 days back, something very nasty happened here. A woman came here. They wanted to steal him, and they used their razor blades, hurt her. The husband also came. They also attacked the husband, fight him, and did the same, So it was really not normal. And at the end of the day, the officers will come here, anti-crime, other people will start to disturb us that we are the ones doing this, doing that. So we have to put an end to this. So that's the case.
If you're given the opportunity to advise the Ministry of Youth, what's going to be your step?
Yeah, that is what the advice we're going to see give the Ministry of Youth is that he has a job to do. Definitely. Yeah. We cannot reach him, but I hope he can hear this and hear it out. Like they have to go out on their own, walk around and see things happening. Because here in Brikama Garage, here in Serakunda, definitely the name is not going well, So I want them to come up. I don't know how are they going to help us, but the advice we give here and we want is that we don't need them anymore in this garage here, and we don't want to see them in the primary school. We even said it at the police station that we don't need them here, we don't want to see them. We know them all, we recognize them. So if the government want peace, they should stop them here, because the next time we took them all to the station, we see them here back again, something nasty definitely will happen, and we are ready to face whatever circumstances come our way.
I will not say a crew. I'm saying it as civilized gentlemen who are ready to fight against this radical situation that these boys are doing within the vicinity of Serakunda, the community of Serakunda. So they are youths that they are very good youths who are now disturbed by gangs of criminals, by thieves, by gamblers, by drunkens. And then the place where they always habit is this garage here, the Serakunda main garage. And after, when they are chased by the police or by the anti-crime unit, they will run and go into Serakunda school. The Serakunda school is too wide. You cannot get it all because there are 3 to 4 doors. If you chase them by the door by the right, they will go by the left. At the end of the day, they will end up, you will not get them. So it is a continuation routine in which the youths of Serakunda had to come together. More than 100 youths of Serakunda had to come together and said this has to be a stop, because our children, our daughters, our nephew, our niece are now being involved. More so this gambling they call tap tap, where they will say so this is a thing that where even ladies will be going to the market with their fish money given to them by their family. They will come. The sample is this one. We got some of them from we got it from them, and you see, this is the type they will use and say be more win, be more lose, tap 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 tap. At the end of the day, they fool you, because it will be a group of people. You will not know, because if you are a native, like how he's playing it, if you are not part and parcel of Serakunda people, who knows how it works? So at the end of the day, they will fool you, because you see they got another one. They got another one.
Do you think after handing them over to the police, they will not release them later on?
No, for our belief, we believe they know they are TOR. The police know what they are supposed to do. We are not used to tell them or to dictate them or to interfere and say do this. But I think, hence we are helping them, because we are saying this is community policing. We call it community policing. We are helping them. In a sense, we the youth will go and get them and tell them these are the criminals. And as you see, right now we got 2 in your presence here. We are recommending or trying to seek, we are urging or seeking for assistance from the Attorney General, the Minister of Justice, and the IGP, the Inspector General of Police. They are the custodial of this law. Let them make sure what we are doing, let them help us. We are not like assaulting them. What we said, our men, we used to brief them before we go on the ground. This is community policing. Don't beat anybody, but protect yourself. Don't beat anybody. Cut them at the right places with the right product, drugs or whatever. Hand over them to the police. Honestly, I will not lie to you. The police has did a very good, tremendous effort, because when the commissioner of KM was contacted on phone, I personally called him. I said to him, we went to your office, we couldn't meet you. So this is a community policing that we want to do within the vicinity of Serekunda, because now the thieves and the gambulans and the rapists, all of them are now disturbing our community. We don't have no more peace. Even if you place your brewing attire, you just take a second or a minute to go into your house and come back and pick a nana or whatever. Before you come, you will meet everything has been taken away by them.
You are given the chance to face the government right now. What will be your first for?
Our first for them will be, let them empower us, let them help us. In a sense, this is a risk job that we are doing. It's a risk job that the boys has come up to do. In a sense, because you can apprehend them, and then you don't know, they might be with a weapon, a cutlass or a knife or a screwdriver, whatever, and you might be stabbed. At the end of the day, if that happens, then who is going to take care of our medical bills? We must go back to our families. So let the government know that these are youths of Serekunda who are ready to embark or to battle this idling, gambling, rapist, stealing that is happening within our vicinity.
What method do you think, the drastic method, what method do you think should be implemented for the youth to be out of the street?
I think the youths need to be need to go and train. What we said, meche in Wolof. They need meche. If you see this community policing, all of these boys that you are saying, all of them are with their technical professional. They are all technical professionals. These others are plumbers, these are electricians, these are drivers, these are electricians, these are teachers, these are businessmen. Lot of us, we are all capacitated by our professions. So we need the government. So if they are taking behind bars, we know in Mile 2 there are skills training there. There are carpentry. We visited there. There is electric, there is plumbing. There are a lot of professionals. If you want to equip yourself as a professional, you will. But if you want to be on the street, please be on the street and let people inside their compound, let them be in peace. In Serekunda now, just by 3 o'clock, if you tell your son, go to the shop or go there, there's a boys young for the boys are on the way, they take the money from me. There was a woman, we were sitting there at the junction. There was a woman who was crying tears. He was shedding tears. I and my friend, I said to her, Yabu Ilalla. He said, my son who is in Italy has sent me the feast money of the Ramadan. So I went to collect it at Yuna here, Serekunda. When I came to Birkama Gari to take taxi to go to Birkama, to Lamen, sorry. Unfortunately, the boys who were grabbing me, helping me to get a taxi, they are the one who took my money. I said, how much was it? He said, $9,000. And then we said to him, can you identify the people who were helping you to get the car? She said no. So he eventually lose that $9,000 that was sweat and moiled by his son who is in Italy. It is very, very saddening. It is very, very deteriorating. We need government to do something. Let them be trained and let them be equipped.
Well, fii laa de jaay open na léegi 5 years fii laa de jaay fish pie. Waa tey moom kontaan naa si mbiri youth si seen liggéey bi baax na torop. Waaw parce que man démba militaire bu nekk fi ak police yi maa leen nekk di waxal gaay ma ne ngeen waxtaan ak driver yi parce que ñoom am nañ fi sàcca yi te ñu ngi ñóbbu sàcca yi. Waa da war a weer sàcca yi ñu mun a génne si garage bi dañoo sonal fi nit ñi te suñ kanam fii soo jëlee kalpe nit ki mbaa mu jël dara si baag bi soo waxee ñu saaga la waaw ñun tam léegi fu mu nekk nii am nañ jàmm fu mu nekk nii kontaan nañ torop.
Nekk nga fi vendor over 5 years within the years ban commotion nga nekk di fi and right now sa excited me compared to before.
Waa fu mu nekk nii maa ngi sant yàlla maa ngi gërëm suñ borom dëkk bi daal waaw bu njëkk ak léegi du benn dafa ute waaw ñu ngi sant yàlla rek benn tey parce que ñu ngi am lu mu bon ñu ngi am lu ñu forato ak suñu njaboot yi waaw.
maanaam depuis youth si bu ñu starté seen liggéey bi yaa ngi feel comfortable di jaay witaat.
waaw te moom démb ak tey maa ngi feel comfortable torop waaw maa ngi kontaan yàlla ñu continue si liggéey bi bu ñu bàyyi de parce que ñoom day am morning shift am afternoon shift am night shift xale góor yi ndaw ñoo am 9 years ba 14 years mag yi ñoo de ànd ak ñoom si garage bi fii guddi nga gis nga forcé passenger yi soo bëgg a ubbi bunta bu nekk si kanam front du de nangu pour mu dem si gannaaw ñu mun a génne lu mu am si baagam bi loolu leen di def dañ de ko de attaque fii by force man fii laa de toog ba 11 ma soog a ñibbi si kër gi.
ban advice nga am pour yeneen youth yu nekk si beneen gox.
maa ngi advice youth si ñoom seen liggéey bi daf ñu continue liggéey bi daal waaw ba pare ñun tee nii waru mbay gaay dañ war a ut liggéey jox leen liggéey si biir prison bi defal leen su fekkee ne carpenter mbaa tailoring mbaa nga xam ne defal daala ñoom yëpp ñu jox leen liggéey ñu nekk fa ay 5 years ba 10 years soo génnee da nga am jom. maa ngi gërëm waa CNBS seen liggéey bi baax na trop ñoom tam maa ngi gërëm maa leen di sant waaw seen liggéey bi nee na trop baax na ñu continue liggéey bi yàlla weer ko ak jaama ñu jila ak jaama ñu gis jaama.
ñun pour jàppale gars yi rek because fan yëpp si lañ nekk tey mooy 3 days every day gars yi ñu ngi ñëw ñu na gars yi ñun léegi dañ bëgg a raxas si gars yi mu set wecc léegi luñ bëgg a soo amul moto doo fi taxawaalu soo nekkee apprenti da ngaa nekk si moto bi soo nekkul si moto bi doo fa liggéey te bu nit di ñëw di taxawaalu fii because booy dañ indi si loo koñ bi booy sàccay dañ bari fii soo dañu oba di stop tey waa koñ yëpp ñoo génn yaa ngi doon soo gisee waa koñ yi ñu génn affaire bi def leen oba naxari because seen yaay seen maam yi seen everybody fii lañ dee jaar soo tey wala garage bi nu mu mel kenn ku nekk nu nga téye sa baag noonu ngay demee waaye fii da ngaa nekk di romba sax ñu ngay kopp sa mobile di daw di next minute soo waaye ñun laa génneel jàmm soo léegi loolu moo génn nag léegi ñun pare nañ si anything
soo leen jàppee gars yi fan ngeen leen di.
si police bi la ñoo yóbbu gars yi ñu xaan oba ko gars yi non waaw am nga soo buggee nit money pass money yow doo nangu liggéey pass money ku ko bugga rek doo nangu liggéey xam nga loolu lu ñoo bañ loolu suñ dema ñu am ko suñ wàccee dañoo am dara luñ si may nit loolu dafa nekk tiyaabu si ñoom waaye ñoom pass money lañ bugga nga taw léegi ñu palpe la jël sa mobile ñu dem wanteer ko black market $400 ñu ñëwaat ñu taxawaat ñu dem jëndee ko sangara ak rose soo xam nga kooku du tal pour dem liggéeyal pour dimbale waajuram loolu mooy problème bi.
so yow léegi suñu la joxoon opportunité pour nga wax président Barrow loo foog ne ban advice nga ko mën a jox.
man advice bu ma koo jox dañ bugg a clear garage bi mu set wecc loolu laa ko njëkk a wax bugguñ taxawaalu métier bu mu mun da nekk demal nga toppa métier boobu fii métier yaa ngi bari fii léegi boo tiyee soo si amee pour la fayda da nga si njëriñoo waaye yow nga ne da nga am xaalis te doo liggéey kuy romba yaa ngi xool baagam kuy romba yaa ngi xool mobile am soo yow soo waree dëkk si loolu bekañ ngay dëkk si loolu bekañ ñun léegi dañ sonna si loolu
maanaam yeneen youth yaa ngi wax ne comme liggéey moo amul si dëkk bi te government bi nekkuñ di def dara loolu moo waral dem baakuwee bi ak sàcca bi nga gis ni yëpp
ku bugg a liggéey amul si dëkk bi ñaaw waaye ku bugg a liggéey da nga liggéey amul si dëkk bi ñaaw waaye soo buggee liggéey da ngay liggéey
tam ma laajte la soo buggee liggéey naka ngay liggéey
soo toppee maçon yi da ngay liggéey soo toppee cabine yi da ngay liggéey
maçon yi suñu la jëlute
maçon yi dañ laa jël des na si sa caractère because soo nekkee nit ku bon maçon su la xoolee mu xam ne yow nit ku bon du la jël
so yow man su ma taxawee nii da nga xam ne nit ku bon la
yow nu ma la xoolee man xam naa ne nekkuloo nit ku bon because man nit ku bon yi laa dee sama